Houston, for plumbing problems, don't sweat it. American Services has the right tools for the job. From industrial water heaters to commercial drain lines, underslab plumbing to complete residential remodels, and even new construction. We also take care of gas leaks, whether residential, commercial, or even industrial. American Services has been serving Houston and the surrounding areas since 1975. Call today, 713-782-2989. Want to be green? Save some green by printing out our discount coupon. Available at our website, www.houstonplumbingdoneright.com. That's houstonplumbingdoneright.com. American Services, a name you can trust.